be honest. Are you still a software or DevOps engineer who uses AI but doesn't actually build it because that gap? It's getting expensive in 2026. I see brilliant software and DevOps engineers every day uses Kubernetes code cloud, but when it comes to LLMs, agents, GPUs, they're stuck watching tutorials. So I built something different. This is a 4-month hands-on journey to go from software or DevOps engineer to generative AI engineer. You don't start with theory, you start with real GPUs, real code, real systems, no passive videos, no hello world AI projects. You build RAG pipelines, AI agents, fine-tuning workflows, and even a small language model from scratch. New batches start every month, live weekend sessions, limited seats, because real learning doesn't scale infinitely. If 2026 is the year you stop using AI and start building it, this is for you. Links in the description. Don't wait.
Let's look at the fifth question. You have thousands of PDF documents that you need to convert to text files in order to feed them into your machine learning model. Which Amazon Web Service tool would you use for this purpose? And then we have 4 options. Option A, Amazon Web Service Lambda. Option B, Amazon Textract. Option C, Amazon Comprehend. Option D, Amazon Web Service Glue. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each options and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Recognize that the task is to convert PDF documents to text, which is a document processing task, not simply running code or analyzing existing text. Exclude options like Amazon Web Service Lambda, which is for running code, Amazon Comprehend, which analyzes text, not extracts it, and Amazon Web Service Glue, which is for data transformation, since they do not meet the document to text conversion requirement. Now identify the right service. Consider Amazon Web Service services designed specifically for document and text extraction. Amazon Textract is explicitly designed for this purpose. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, Amazon Web Service Lambda, is a serverless computing service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. While it can be used to orchestrate the conversion process, it does not have built-in capabilities to convert PDFs to text. Option B, Amazon Textract, is correct because Amazon Textract is a fully managed machine learning service that automatically extracts text, handwriting, and other data from scanned documents, including PDFs. It can convert PDF documents to text, making it ideal for processing large volumes of documents to extract and convert text data for machine learning models. Option C, Amazon Comprehend, is a natural language processing NLP service that uses machine learning to find insights and relationships in text. However, it does not convert PDFs to text. It analyzes text after it has already been extracted. Option D, Amazon Web Service Glue, is a fully managed ETL extract, transform, load service used to prepare data for analytics. It is not designed for document conversion and extraction tasks like converting PDFs to text. By following these steps, option B, Amazon Textract, is the correct answer for converting thousands of PDF documents to text files in Amazon Web Service.